TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials right now trading down 21 at 18,265. You get the NASDAQ up 7 at 5098. S&Ps are flat out there at 2127. Gold is also flat, 1204 an ounce. Silver is 1706. We have the light sweet crude going down 93 cents, trading at 59.79. Bonds got some action out here, folks. Bonds, the 10-year is down 14 ticks, 127.09, with the 10-year and the 30-year had tried to get the higher price, couldn't handle it, building cause to do a monster ABC structure on the way down. 30-year is down 27 ticks, trading at 153.19. King dollar is up 846 ticks at 96.17. What King dollar is doing, folks, is going into its downdraft. It has a volume expansion, but it's still lighter volume. Euro is down 97, trading at $1.10, and the euro is up 42 at 121.46. Now, as we're going into kicking off this Memorial Day weekend, kicking off the summer, what you'll see out here today is you'll get volatility that gets even lower. The VIX, of course, has been getting low. That in itself will get lower. You have trading about noon today, folks. That's how this will. When I say trading to about noon, it will die in the vine after that. The S&Ps, when we take a look at where the S&Ps are, the S&Ps are at highs right now. When you take a look at this on the weekly basis, you'll see just how, bottom line, it's anemic up at this level, meaning the number of players that are buying into this market. We'll do about 350 million shares, and that 350 million, folks, is going into almost 900 million at these highs. So we'll see whether it can hang at and over the 212.24. I do expect it's going to. Why? Because there's no players in the marketplace. The action in this market will be next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, more than likely Thursday and Wednesday and Thursday of next week. The Qs, the NDX 100, also try to run up into this high. I suspect it's going to hit that high. We're at 110.69 right now, so it's gotten to the bottom. But the top of that is 111.16. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold continues to build cause for higher price. The gold contract out here today is on 85,000 contracts. It has rejected higher price. We got to a price point of 12.14. You're at 12.02 right now. That level, however, is going into a monster day of strength, which was 242,000 contracts, which was generated on the 13th of May. So what you're going to have inside the gold market, you're going to have lighter volume on the daily, lighter volume on the weekly as you're going into that strength. Gold looks to me like it still wants to run up to this 12.56 area. The bond market. The bond market, folks, I think are what's going to continue to keep moving things. Bonds out here today, the 10-year had got to a price point of 127.29. Now, we're at 127.08. We've done 843,000 contracts thus far. That is some big contracts, particularly inside the bond market for 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. What is that saying? That's saying you're building cause to go after lower price points. In the 10-year, we're talking about a 126.06. You know, we'll see whether we break that next week, but it looks like a very large ABC structure on the way down. And what does that mean? That means that lower prices, higher yields in the marketplace. King dollar. What King dollar's done is this. Now, King dollar's got some strength out here today. It's up 866 ticks. However, it's going into the downdraft that had 102,000 contracts. The number is 96.29 to watch. We'll see whether that fails or it doesn't fail. I suspect more than likely it's going to fail. It's going to build cause to get down the other side. Coming into this long weekend, what you can expect is that flatness as the market goes further out, meaning coming into 4 o'clock. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking right back here Tuesday morning, 10 a.m.
If you're like me, you see the world's emerging nations as a very real opportunity, as these countries and their economies are developing right before our eyes. And you can rest assured that Everbank has spotted this opportunity too. In fact, they have just released the second running of their 5-year Market Safe Futures Economy CD. This is a CD that could really deliver, but you only have until June 11th to take advantage. Consider the facts. If the future economy's currencies beat the US dollar over the CD term, you'll get all of the upside at maturity. And should they lose, no worries. There's zero downside risk here, as you get back 100% of your deposited principal. Don't miss out. The June 11th funding deadline is quickly approaching. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN-CD for more information, including important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN-CD. Everbank is an equal housing lender and member FDIC.